Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Well guys, today is the big day. Today we get to announce who the winner is for me hitting 2,000 subscribers, and this is an appreciation giveaway because I appreciate everyone who has participated. I wish I could give everybody something, but I greatly appreciate you all hanging in there with me and just sticking in there with me and all that good stuff. So with that being said, I also wanted to say, for those of you who have participated in this giveaway and you didn't subscribe but you participated, I'm not going to be able to put you in the drawing. So I also wanted to say, but if you did subscribe, because there's a way I can go in and see who all has subscribed, and if I didn't see your name but you did participate, then I don't know if you subscribed or not. So I'm saying all of that to say, the explanation that I had seen or found out was, if you are not public, meaning if your YouTube account is not public, meaning everybody can see it, and you have it on private, then that's probably why you weren't seen as a subscriber if you have subscribed. Whew, did y'all get that? Okay, so in saying that, you have to be a subscriber. You have to make a comment on which one of my DIYs is your favorite, or that you liked it and why. That was it. Oh, and have a valid email address. So guys, those were the stipulations for this contest, and I think we are ready to go ahead and find out who the winner is. Hey, shut the door. What I call you for, because I want you to do something for me. I want you to do something for me. Come here. This is my baby, y'all. This is one of my babies anyway. This is Amari. And Amari is going to be our helper today. He's going to help us find out who the 2,000 subscribers winner is. Alright, so the game is switched up a little bit. Instead of drawing a name out of a hat or something like that, we are going to use this spin the wheel right here. And I have everybody's names on it who has subscribed. And I'm also going to run your names through so that you see your name on the list. You are in the game. You are in the drawing. So this is what the game looks like. And I'm sorry guys, I do not know how to turn my thing around so that it's not backwards. But it says HIHCE, which is Heart and Hand Creations and Events giveaway winner. And these are all the names. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll the names so you can see who names are on this wheel real quick. Right? And when I say 1, 2, 3, you're going to press the button. Alright? Alright guys, so you're ready? I'm ready. You ready, Mar? Mm-hmm. Alright.
What kind of button?
That black button right there.
Oh, okay.
Tap it. Ooh, it looks, hey, looks like Minty Miso.
I won.
Yeah, Minty Miso, congratulations! Yay! So guys, that is who our winner is for the 2,000 subscribers. The 2,000 subscribers winner. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And all right, thank you very much for your help. All right guys, so you saw the results. Congratulations again to Minty Miso. Thank you guys. I thank all of you very much. And Minty Miso, on here is, you will see my email address pop up. I need you to get in touch with me as soon as you see this video. All right. Again, congratulations. Thank you guys so much for participating. Those of you who have, I really appreciate you so much. I really wish I could give out more, but you know what? I was thinking about that. So once I figure, because I told you I'm going to continue to do giveaways as long as I'm on YouTube to show my appreciation for those who subscribe and hang in there with me. Next time I'm going to give out 2 prizes. 2 prizes. Yep. So get in touch with me, Minty Miso. And guys, I will see you all in the next DIY video. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I needed to come back to say, again, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. I thank you all the way across the board. Also, I just needed to mention that this contest was not sponsored, no way, shape, or form by YouTube. This was all on Heart and Hand Creations and Events with love. Bye-bye.